come with us as we travel from Canada to America to surprise my parents. They had no idea we were coming to see them. Now, we travel from Canada to Buffalo, so we crossed the border there and we booked our flights at Buffalo Airport. And this was cheaper, so if you're a Canadian looking for flights to the US, check out the flights from Buffalo to wherever you want to travel in the US. Now, stay tuned for the surprise, guys, because my mother is a real Jamaican drama queen. So you're going to see how it went down.
Where is that?
The second door. The second one on the right. The other one.
What's it? You know, me and laughing down there. Me and laughing down there.
So after the surprise and the laughing and gathering and you reuniting, we had to run to the grocery store to grab some stuff because my sister decided that she's going to make us dinner. Yes, she had to cook. Which is a surprise because she's not the kitchen type. We're totally opposite. That's her hobby. He does his thing. That's his lab there. And yeah, so may I try observe her in the kitchen to see what she really do. Yeah, and may I watch her and she do her thing, it turned out really good. She actually surprised me, no lies. So we're all chatting and catching up, and this was a great surprise. I haven't seen my sister in maybe 2-3 years, I think. And yeah, we brought, of course, we had to take some Timmy's for them from Canada, of course. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for day 2.